Okay, speaking part two. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Past tense. Please start.
The thing that was broken in my home was my LED TV. I brought it from the shopping mall, and then I fixed it in the wall. And I had planned to paint the background wall of my LED. So that's why I tried myself to take it off, but meantime it was broken. So then I contacted the customer support services, and they reached my home and took my LED to their office, and then they gave me the time. They gave me the time to about 2 to 3 days to repair my LED, and then it came back to me. And I really felt very bad because of my little carelessness. It was broken. So
All right, that's
that's it.
good. 1 minute, 6 seconds. Speak actively, energetically.
Yes, sir.
One day you're going to get married also. If you
Yes,
talk
sir.
like this with your wife, she will put you in the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, right? Then from
Yes.
there you will say politely, honey, breakfast is ready.
Yes.
And honey will say what?
What's
Honey will say, now cook lunch. Okay? All right, just joking. So try to speak energetically, but overall it's
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Don't worry. In actual exam, you and examiner, they're going to be very close, so there's no issue. Let's go on. Do you prefer to repair the things which are torn or broken, or you want to buy the new ones?
Uh, Personally, I will prefer to repair it because as I am an engineer, so uh, get into the things to repair, to learn them, to learn new things. But it is I will prefer to send the broken item to the brand from where it is come.
All right. Do you think the quality of the things now is better than the past?
No, absolutely not. Because in the past, the quality was very good, but nowadays the quality is very bad. It is very like
Okay, you're using very limited vocabulary. The words I use in my sentence, you use them again and
no.
again and you give your answer. Okay, so try to come up with more words. Try to come up
Yes.
with variety of sentence structures. In part 3, answer in 5 to 6 sentences, and overall, you need to be active. Okay,
Okay, sir.
all right, thank you.